up, Thejlfamily? Guys, we are back with another video, but babe, what are we doing today?
The Thejlfamily Chicken Wing Challenge.
Chicken Wing Challenge! So guys, if y'all saw my video the other day about my top favorite foods, this is one of them, and oh my gosh, this is the top favorite food. So it is called the Thejlfamily Chicken Wing Challenge for a reason. We have 70 wings here, so we have what, 35 and 35? That's 70, right?
Yeah.
35 and 35. 35 hot, 35 mild, but you can have whatever flavors you want, but it needs to be 70 or more. We're gonna try to attempt to eat all 70, and let's just see how it goes. So we're about to dig in. And we're gonna be tagging people throughout the video. So let's dig in, baby. We got some fries, we got some hot wings, and it doesn't matter if you cook them or buy them or whatever, just 70 or more. Dang, his look good. Why am I eating French fries first? Because they're so good.
I'm eating them before they get cold.
Mm-hmm. God, look at his wings. They're so good. He already bit one because he acted like he couldn't wait on me.
It came like that.
That's Chaz's. His is hot, mine are mild. All right, let's do this attempt.
I know that's gonna give me some flats.
They have to give you flats. Only 20 or less you can get drums.
Come on. I could got 20 drums and 10 flats. It don't matter. Flats get cold fast.
Here's one.
Alright, ate one.
1, 2, 3.
Go from eat like this so I can put my bones. If you wonder why I got lipstick on, I did a video already. And y'all watching it today. This ain't gonna come out till Thursday. Which is why I said earlier in the beginning of the video. That's one.
That better, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You better learn how to rip that bone.
I don't want to get my other hand dirty.
Mom.
Why?
Because
The fries are so good, guys. I've been craving this since last week, and Chaz was like, oh my gosh, please stop talking about it, because it ain't Tuesday yet. It's Tuesday, by the way. So I ain't gonna be talking that much, because I know I can be able to eat. I want y'all to see my wings.
I'm gonna get this on me out. I got like 3 hours of sleep.
Don't judge my eating. I'm not trying to be cute. Baby, can you hush?
I think I ate like 4 or 5.
There's a cockle.
Baby, hush. Y'all lucky I couldn't do this when y'all went to sleep.
They'd have been closed.
I can hold it up. Come here, Mama.
Baby, baby, please, hush. I don't eat gristles, so don't even come for me in the comments. Cause that's nasty.
Give me that. That's mine.
No! I lost a piece of chicken, I'm mad. I'll never know what that piece of chicken tastes like. I've had 3 so far.
I had 5, 6. Maybe 6.
You getting full yet?
I ain't know all that. All I had was chips and a drink.
I
That was
have
at 9 o'clock.
oatmeal and 2 small bags of chips that I split with baby.
I left my wallet at home on purpose.
For you, I don't. Poopa, can you give me a paper towel?
What up, Dennis? You're ugly.
This gonna be her.
Y'all hear, baby?
Stop it.
She's gonna be your commentary this whole video because she's not gonna pay. So I'm gonna just stop wasting my breath.
Baby, you made me whip it.
Come on, let me get some paper towels.
Paper. No, Dennis.
Thank you, baby.
No. Dad, do how it's been. I
You
got
don't like
it.
mine. You told me no hot last
I'm giving my son one.
Mama, chicken's very
Girl.
hot.
Mine's not hot, mine's mild. Your daddy got hot. I think he get it on hot
I
purpose.
want chicken.
Come get one, baby.
Okay. I want to sit down on the couch.
Should you eat it?
No.
My cousin sit down on
She
the
wastes
couch.
yours.
What's the table with it? You know you don't eat. You don't eat on the table.
You eat it in the kitchen.
Hey, Mama.
Come here, baby. Don't knock that down. Go in the kitchen. That's one from her. Go in the kitchen now.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. 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 Mom. You're so naughty.
I'm thirsty now. I gotta have something to drink. I cannot eat food. How many of y'all like to drink something while y'all eating? I'm the type of person, I gotta have something to drink because then my throat start getting dry.
I do, but I get full fast if I drink.
Thank you. So much.
I ain't full yet. And it's because I starved myself.
Chicken. No one that you love.
So the first person we're gonna challenge is Yana Chantel. Yana,
Ew.
if you're doing it by yourself, I challenge you
My nose.
to 35. The next person I'm gonna challenge is the Gibbs Fam TV or Gibbs Fam TV.
You so extra with it.
Yeah.
And I have another person I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say another person later on in the video.
Ooh, I can feel a heartburn coming.
Sit up. I'm gonna get heartburn because I eat this. Guys, if y'all doing it as a family, it has to be 70 or more, no less. Because that's what makes it a challenge.
What chicken?
If you're a single person, 35 or more. No less. Alright, that's a lot of juice out. You got any rules that need?
Tell me
Us, nobody talking to you.
Are you okay?
You got any rules?
Fries are optional.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to have fries.
We got fries because they came with it. It's free. So, that's why we have
that was
fries.
stingy with the season salt. It just tastes like water. I mean, potatoes, water, whatever.
Uh-oh, you getting full?
No.
No, not yet.
Oh.
But this was yummy.
It's good?
Yeah. Please do this. I should eat the whole thing. I want paper towel. Please.
Hey, come on. Somebody come get baby.
Huh? Come, Mama. Get it. I know what. It was good.
Doing some noodles, throw that cup away. The noodles in there?
Sit down and eat that.
You gonna spill it?
He's trying to spill his noodles.
Okay, come on my hands.
Baby, lick it. She don't want to lick her hands. She don't want to do nothing. You getting full yet? If this was an eating contest, I would lose. Like a timer, I would lose. I can't eat that fast.
I did.
I'm so loud. I wish I was at the kitchen table. But y'all there. Guys, I always say this every time we eat chicken wings. What type of person are you? Are you flats, drums, or both? I'm both.
I'm drums.
He like drums because he like just getting to the meat.
I want to get a paper towel.
No.
Oh, excuse me.
I want to get a paper towel.
Baby, no.
If I see you in your room, go play.
Brittany, go cut on a movie for y'all in your room.
Okay. In my room?
I said your room. They gave you quite a few legs. Mine's not hot, but my nose is running. I don't know how many I ate. I lost count. You full yet?
What was that? Is that a sound? What was this? That was me, ball. What? The ball? What is this? The ball.
Oh, my eyes. I think some chicken wings juice got my eyes.
My ball it.
That means you need to clean your room up if you falling over everything in there.
I want to one clean up.
Go clean up your room then.
Okay.
They gave you all the drums and gave me all the flats.
Uh-oh. Well, here.
I do like drums. I'm going to say the drums for last because I know those are going to be the hardest to eat. The meat thicker.
Right here.
Dang, it's already 15 minutes in.
Well, tell me, what happened?
Dinner.
What is he doing?
Mm-mm.
Go clean up. Go.
Go clean up.
I'm scared.
Go.
What? Leave her alone. Go.
I'm scared.
Go clean up.
Why you peeking? Leave her alone.
Baby, go clean up. She's such a crybaby. Guys, I called her a crybaby in the car today. And she literally came out and I'm not crybaby.
Who's going up on him? Yeah. Pick that pillow up. Pick all that up.
Why your eyes watering?
Cause you got my eye.
Mine too. Same eye.
That's it, right.
How we gonna have a challenge and then lose?
Well,
Cause short end.
I think this is the last one I can eat. Cause I ate a few.
Guys, I think I'm out. 16 minutes. I gotta get me something to drink. I can't eat no more because I'm dying of thirst. You want something to drink?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
I'll be back.
I got 14 left. I'm full.
Dang. What do you want? I'm getting me Kool-Aid.
You gonna give me that last strong drink now?
Huh?
That last strong drink now?
Oh, shit. This messes up my diet, but
What?
what?
I only ate 14?
Feel like you ate more?
Yeah. Well, looks like I be having leftover for work. I mean, you can get good at it.
They talking too much. Look, she wasting my chicken. She'll get no more.
Good.
I'm not gonna have to cook tomorrow because we got a lot left. I don't even know how many I had. 8.
14 and I got 15 left.
It's Kool-Aid, guys. It's so good.
Now when I drunk this, it just stuffed me. I was full, but now I'm stuffed.
I'm not stuffed, but if I try to eat one more and some fries, I feel like I'm gonna be sick. You say that all the time, and then you be trying to eat one.
I was just trying to find the smallest one.
That one? Look at him. He's so greedy.
Now I'm full.
Okay, let me count mine. Because I didn't even go nowhere. Ugh. Let me count that again. I got 19 left.
Dang! How many did you eat?
I got 19 left, so out of 35.
Don't get me to try to add something up right now.
You ain't gonna be able to add that. Those are mixtures of all types of stuff. I'll figure out the math. I can't think. Y'all probably looking at us like dummies. I'm about to have a food coma. I got the itis. We got the itis.
I'm gonna pay for this tomorrow.
Okay. And like I said, I was gonna name some more people that we're gonna challenge. So remember, Yana Chantel, Gibbs Fam TV. Who would be a good candidate? Nikki. I can't think of your full name, Nikki, but you know who I'm talking about. And I will have everybody's YouTube picture somewhere on the screen. Don't know where, but I will have y'all on there so y'all know who I'm talking about. And I will have y'all links down below. Now, here's the rules. When you do this challenge, like I said, if it's one person, 35 or more. If it's two people, two or more people, 70 or more. When you do this challenge, it is called hashtag the Thejlfamily Chicken Wing Challenge. And whenever you do it, make sure you have our hashtag say, we started this challenge for this chicken wing. Okay, guys, so our memory got full, so I had to delete some stuff and then do it this way because it's less memory being used if I don't record in 4K. So I have Yana, Gibbs fam, Nikki, and then I'm going to have a fourth person. I don't know exactly who that's going to be, but I'm going to have them right here. So, guys, make sure you watch this video all the way through or you're not going to know that you were challenged. And like I said, the challenge is called the J&L Family Chicken Wing Challenge. For one person, you have to have 35 or more chicken wings, any flavor. And for two or more people, it starts at 70 plus wings. So whenever you do the video, make sure you say that we started the challenge this go around or whatever, because I don't know if there's any other challenges out, but we started this go around. And then you would tag 3 or 4 people and then just keep it going and make sure they do our hashtag the JL Family Chicken Wing Challenge. You got anything to say?
I'm stuffed.
He's stuffed like
full.
a turkey.
I ate too much. I ate 15.
No, you ate 17.
Oh, 17. Whatever.
He ate 17. I ate 14, and the kids had 1 apiece, so that's 16 in total. And then I think I got 19 left or something like that. But
I think if I didn't touch them fries, I could have got at least like 3 more in.
Yeah. So here's that. Here's his. It's hard. I thought it was going to be easier because I starved myself. Like, I ate some oatmeal and stuff, but whatever. But, all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel and you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And while you are there, go next door and turn on your bell notifications. And we welcome you all. So, do you have anything to say?
Quick tip. While eating, stand up.
Oh, yeah.
Eat while standing.
Eat and stand, because we sat down, and I feel like we could have, since the food would have went right down, we could have ate standing up, and it would have went straight down. But that's a good tip. So, we are out of here, JL fam. Peace.
Adios.